Welcome to Christies Snowbirds Center. We just want you to watch and listen to the sounds that you'll be missing if you don't come down to visit the Mississippi Gulf Coast this winter. Please contact us at ChristiesGulfBeachRentals.com. Thank you. I hope you just enjoyed listening to the beach and watching the beach and just imagining yourself on this beautiful beach down in the Mississippi Gulf Coast in the middle of winter when all your friends, neighbors, and relatives are shoveling snow. This can be your location if you stay at one of Christie's Gulf Beach Rentals vacation or snowbird rental properties, which are available to you within walking distance of the beach. We have quite a few to select from. Go to the Christies Gulf Beach Rentals website and check it out. So that's ChristiesGulfBeachRentals.com. ChristiesGulfBeachRentals.com. Also check out our blog articles and our podcast. Thank you.